Nylon or polyester, which one is better for abrasive applications? Nylon is softer, more flexible, and usually natural, provides strong hook and loop adhesion. It is a good choice when flexibility and high adhesion are important. Polyester, on the other hand, offers a good dimensional stability, durability, and better cost efficiency. For, for abrasive applications, our polyester yarns are specially developed for grinding. With the right structure, the adhesion can be comparable to nylon while keeping the cost more competitive. Which one should choose? It depends on your application, performance requirements, and target cost. If you are currently using nylon and considering polyester, we'd be happy to provide samples for testing.